Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're visiting Gunung Angsi. It is the third highest peak in Negeri Sembilan. So let's go. Do remember to click the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you. In today's hike, we'll be climbing Gunung Angsi from Bukit Putus. Gunung Angsi is located about 1 hour away from Kuala Lumpur. At 824 meters in elevation, it is the third highest peak in Negeri Sembilan, making it suitable for casual and beginners hiker. There are two starting locations to climb Gunung Angsi, Bukit Putus and Ulu Bendul. Starting from Bukit Putus to the summit, it will take you about 1 hour 45 minutes, while if you start at Ulu Bendul, it will take you about 3 hours to reach the summit. Alright guys, so about 35 minutes in, we are at Reservoir View. Okay, so we are almost halfway there lah. Okay, so we're just going to reach the peak, rest for a while and then we come down again. Alright, see you guys later. Hey everyone, so about 2 hours into the hike, because of the rain, a lot of delays here and there, and also it's quite slippery. We have reached the top of Gunung Angsi. Gunung Angsi is about 825 meters above sea level. It's actually the top 3. I think it should be the third tallest mountain in Negeri Sembilan. So I will show you some of the videos, some of the places around here. Okay, for you to look forward to. After this, we're gonna hang around here for about half an hour, and then we're gonna head down. Hopefully, it stops raining after that. Okay everyone, so about half an hour here, we are going to head down by the same route that we went to. It should take about 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes. The rain has slightly gotten better. Okay, hopefully it doesn't get heavier. If not, then it will be another challenge for us. Okay, see you guys later. We are almost reaching halfway to descend down. Alright, so we are at this resting hut area. Okay, a lot of hikers are coming in already, so it's time for us to go down. Okay, I'll update later. Okay guys, it's just there, the signboard is there and then the staircase is there. Whew. Time check, now it's 4:10, 4 hours 10 minutes. Alright, so we went down Bukit Putus, up Bukit Putus just now, and then down Bukit Putus. Total took about 4 hours 21 minutes. Here's 3 tips to consider before making your way to Gunung Angsi. Firstly, ensure that you have at least 3 liters of water. The whole hike will take between 3 to 4 hours, so it's best to have enough water to hydrate yourself during the hike. Tip 2. Ensure that you're wearing hiking or trail running shoe. Hiking Gunung Angsi can be challenging with all the mixed terrain. Wearing the right pair of hiking or trail running shoe will provide you the ankle support you need and protect you from rolling your ankle, especially going down the mountain. I have also included a list of my recommended hiking and trail running shoe in the video description. Do check them out. Lastly, remember to pack your rain gear. It is very hard to predict the weather as it can change in an instant. Therefore, always be ready and prepare for the worst. So that's Gunung Angsi. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel as we help the channel grow. With that, as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay safe, everybody.